Curtis playing chicken with a cruise ship, making him turn. Told him, you gotta have your sail up to do that, but I guess he figured the flag is enough of a sail to make that guy turn that little bitty boat. Gotta film it. See his boat sticking out of the front of the cruise ship. It'll be all over the news. Then I'll have YouTube followers. I knew how to zoom this dumb thing. Gonna hit the mast. Oh, ouch. I'm smart. I went the other way. Well, guess he doesn't get a new boat. Been going all day. We're heading for Point McNeil up there somewhere yonder. Might as well get up now. The other side. About where we are. Somewhere in the ocean. My dinghy, which bangs into everything, and I can't stow her on deck because then it's, anyway. Another video.